Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Buju Banton fans, get ready to walk like a champion. The incarcerated reggae superstar has launched his clothing line, Everything BB. The Buju Banton merchandise was officially made available last week to mark his 44th birthday. The artist has delivered his line of t-shirts, hats, hoodies. Banton still has a year and a half left on his 10-year sentence for drug-related charges and remains in a federal prison. He's expected to be released on December 8, 2018. Red Stripe Reggae Sumfest kicked off yesterday with the highly anticipated beach party. Jamaica's premier music festival, which spans a week, will showcase the best dancehall and reggae acts as the event celebrates 25 years. The Dr. Beanie Man sits in the E-Prime spotlight and tells us what to expect when he takes the Sumfest stage on night 2.
Me is one of the only artists who don't need dancers, don't need backup singers, and still do a brilliant show. You understand? All we need is banner music and people there. You understand? So this year is gonna be not different, but it's gonna be different because it's my 25th year of being a star. So I have to do songs from Sim Simma come right up to this time. So all of them, woman, if you're fed up with your boyfriend, all of these songs is gonna be sung. Well, I'm currently working on a what do you call it now, a ragamuffin album, but you know, what do you call it now, full dancehall album, which is a ragamuffin album, like all-time beats, like the days when I come from, like 70s rhythm and, you know, 80s rhythm and, yeah, these type of things. But what we really do now, we continue making singles. Like, I have this new video which I have to show you now. It's called Living Life. Yeah, which, you know, we continue making singles and then Not Nice label.
Beanie Man has the record as the longest standing act on the show, performing 24 of the 25 years. And you might recall him being officially crowned King of the Dancehall at the 2009 staging. The debate between promoters and artists continues as promoters have given indication that they should be allowed the right to reduce the set of an artist. This coming from event promoter Fabian Lawless, coming from a recent disagreement with recording artist Busy Signal, who refused to reduce his performance time to facilitate closing act R. Kelly at the recently staged Grooving in the Park. The promoter believes that unforeseen circumstances may occur through the event, and so promoters should hold the right to adjust the artist's stage time. He added that entertainers should be willing to compromise whenever there's a need, as issues such as these could eventually damage their career. Now, the contention is believed to have been started by dancehall artist Dexter Daps in May of this year, who completed his full performance, though he arrived late for the recently staged Best of the Best event held in Miami, Florida. On the international scene, Planet of the Apes wins the box office war with Spider-Man Homecoming coming in second. This is officially one of the biggest box office battles of the summer. It was the apes over the arachnid. Planet of the Apes brought in an estimated $56.5 million at the US domestic box office, enough to beat Spider-Man's estimated $45.2 million in its second weekend. The 20th Century Fox rebooted Apes trilogy is one of the most successful film franchises in Hollywood, holding on to a 94% rating, making it one of the best reviewed films of the year. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.